Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable multi-threading on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on RAZER Blade 15, and you can see that my CPU has 6 cores but 12 threads. When I enable multi-threading, then it's gonna use 12 threads, and when I disable it, it's gonna use just 6 cores. So it will not have multi-threading. And to enable or disable that option, go to the right to the Advanced tab, then click on Enter to enter CPU configuration, then go down to Hyper-threading and click on that. Now you can set it to disabled or enabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.